One man don't raise alarm to the yeye materials where government people they use to build road inside Edo State. Show this our government people, eh? Nobody force on to do road. People complain, okay, road no good, road no good. On a con decide say na one drum, they can't use. I don't even know be na conquer. I been waiting they even use. So what when they even good at all, now they can't use. Go till they do the road. If you even see the gutter get 2K leg. One pass like this, another one pass like this. I beg if you know say na no ready. Now all motor say government motor na they stop one time inside mud. Where be say people they happy say e catch on a side. Now make na come use na church mind do road safe na wahala for una. So now one maybe push out tire before na go know say na the good thing and the wrong thing. I sure self say na tell on do this road. Because my people, if you see the road, in fact, not be say the man they exaggerate, person where they talk, he never overshout. If you see yourself, na go wonder. My people, I beg, make na follow me watch.
Now we want to get Nigeria, we go work for all of us. Now all of us they fight for. Igara na my community, Akukwa Edo na my local government. Nigeria now we country together. So if we dey see wetin no good, we go talk about them. When we do Secretariat Road by the grace of God, when Edo State government do that Secretariat Road, I work for that Secretariat Road. And I know wetin I do there because na my community. If they say make I open reach here, I go open everything because I tell the white man, Koro say, this one na my community. Wetin I fit do, we go help my community. I go do one. Today, that road, the better pass the whole road wey dey Akukwa Edo. If they wan count good road for Edo State, that local government road join am. Oga make una see road wey they do. Why see camera no back? They don't ever do road where we say the drainage go stop at that dead end. Nothing there. This granite, the drainage where they see so concrete road no day. I don't know where they go carry plaster, the plaster wall. Road no day, nothing there. See the ground. They do and come reach there then. Nothing there. Carry the video, they come where you show me. You go do road. If they want do road, after you pour rat slash, you go post them. See road though. See my hand. Now the road where they do be this. See the road. Now me, see. Now my bare hand be this. See am. You dey see am. If motor waka for this thing now, the very day go remove am. You dey see am. Now my hand I take the open now. So now our community be this. Which kind of rubbish be this one? I know say they go say the one where our people do senator, they not do. But that rubbish where they always talk say our bread is better than none. I kill Nigeria call it today. So if you want to do something, do and where. You not put stone base, you not put anything. At least now somebody award this contract. You should look at the contractor that is doing this job. You not go do anything. Then you will say, they don't do it. At all, nine back. Now the at all, nine put us for where we did. So.
Edo State government people. See as na just fall on her hand. Person go use hand, they peel road they comot. No be magic be that one, because I know they understand. If na use the right things, I no sure say this thing would even comot. Gutter wey na build, the gutter no even lead to anywhere. Open road, if water pass now, inside the land, now you go still stop for. Wetin na come build the gutter for? When I know say I no go link am to anywhere. Later now, if rain fall, they go dey blame the citizens, say, now then they pour dirty for there, now make gutter block. My people, I beg, and I see gutter where they build. Gutter where be like, what I don't even know. Gutter just twist like snake. You no get destination, you no get road, just they go. All these government people, I know you understand. In fact, the person who are supposed to blame me. I don't even know behind the constructor, person who build this road. I mean at the government, because I sure say, therefore don't come out their own money, these politicians and government people. Maybe the money where they won't pay these contractors, they don't come up big one. So the money where remain. Now I make them this contractors come decide, okay, and what did they get? Now they go use they build this road. Road where be say person carry one finger, road begin peel. I mean, what it can be the what thing I even do am for? Now be my own question. Because caterpillar no go fit even pass this road. Oh. If one small caterpillar, in fact, the road go, I don't even want to talk say it go sink. Ordinary gravel they no put, clay sand, red sand. Now they just put under, carry the whole black this thing cover am. So when notice a mosquito when they climb the road, who na expect when they climb this road before. Now well, government people in our time, making a fix country. If they complain say road no good, making a fix them. No be saying I can't do something halfway. I go to talk say half bread is better than none. Nobody beg on it. Nobody because last if now even can commission this road, there be anything we na do. Now I go still pass this road. If motor pass this thing now like 20 times, what if it 20 times? 5 times, it don't finish. Road don't scatter again. And this contract is supposed to bring dem come outside. Abeg, as una know say this money wey dey give, e no go reach. Una for no even start am. Tell the people say, okay, this thing wey una wan do, the road no go even last, the road no go good. Make dem do am well. No be say na go come sit down because of say longer throat money wey una sef wan chop. Una go come out, una suppose even dey accountable. Plus una, plus the Edo State government, make dem carry all of una sit down. Ask una questions. Because I sure say the budget wey dem go even collect for this money. And I know our government people, they fit talk say 150 billion for the cement, 1 million this one for this one. And not, in fact, they no go even use half of that money to do any of this road. Abeg, wetin na come dey serve the country for? Wetin na dey there dey serve these people for? Later na go come outside say they dey against una. Now because of the kind things wey na dey do, na make people dey complain. Na make people dey vex say the things wey na dey do, e no good. And I feel this man pain because the way wey this man talk, na everything wey dey people mind. Now he go wan talk. And somebody said they complain say at least they don't do the road. At least they do the road, but e no good. E no even dey okay at all. Road wey fit just destroy. If one rain fall like this, everywhere don scatter. Wetin come be the need wey dey do am? My people abeg, this Edo State wahala sef e tire me. I hear this one I come say make I bring am come una side. Make una sef use una ear hear wetin dey happen. Make una no forget to comment anything wey una feel about this whole matter. Make una no forget to write am for the comment section. Make una no come forget to like and also share this video. I go see you for our next video.